In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to use the tire repair kit. When a flat tire occurs, safely pull the car off the road onto a level surface. Do not use the kit with the vehicle parked on an incline or in a confined space. The repair kit can be used to fix a tire with a puncture up to 3/8 inch in size, or about the size of an average pencil. The kit can't be used in the case of a sidewall puncture, only in the area highlighted in green. The kit includes a hose that injects the sealant and fills the tire with air, a pressure gauge, power plug, selector knob, and inflator switch. Put the transmission in park, set the parking brake, turn the hazard lights on, and turn the engine off. Peel the instructions off and read them carefully. Place the red speed restriction sticker where you can see it as a reminder, and then apply the yellow repair notification sticker to the center of the wheel needing repair. Remove the valve cap and screw the air sealant hose tightly onto the valve, turning it clockwise. Then lay the kit flat on the ground. Plug the power cord into the vehicle's 12-volt outlet and start the vehicle. Check for the required air pressure on the placard in the driver's door jamb. Turn the selector knob to repair and press the inflator switch to the on position. Then wait until the air pressure rises above the required amount on the gauge, then drops to the correct level. Turn the power switch off and see if the air pressure stays within the range indicated on the placard. If the tire fails to reach the pressure indicated on the placard, call for roadside assistance. If the tire maintains the correct air pressure, drive the vehicle for 10 minutes at no more than 50 miles per hour. Then stop and recheck the air pressure using the kit. If the air pressure is at the level stated on the placard, continue on your way. If not, check the instructions. With the tire safely holding the desired air pressure, proceed to a tire repair facility or dealership as soon as possible. The sealant canister will also need to be replaced at the dealership.